Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make my kids' favorite snack called the potato smiley. This is the number one snack my kids request for all the time, and they smile all through while munching it. So keep watching, but before we get right into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly go ahead to hit that subscribe button and the bell just right beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. For the recipe, you need Irish potato. I'm using 13 small balls because that's what I have in my kitchen right now. So you can use bigger size and adjust other ingredients. The potatoes are thoroughly washed, so I'll go ahead to peel them. Potato peelers makes the job easier, so you can use it if you have one. After peeling, I washed them again and I transferred into a pot to cook. I added salt to taste and I'll be cooking this for 5 minutes or till it's properly cooked. Checking on the potatoes, they are properly cooked, so I'll be transferring them in a bowl to let them cool down a little. I'll be grating them with my grater. But you can use the potato masher to mash them if you have one. A very big thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're yet to subscribe, why don't you hit that subscribe button to get more amazing videos. Please like, share and comment because I get to know what you think about the video in the comment section, and if you have any question, write it and be rest assured to get a reply. After grating your potatoes, you add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, half teaspoon of pepper. I just added a little because my kids don't like much pepper. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, half cup of breadcrumbs. I have a video of how to make breadcrumbs which can be used for different recipes. The link is in the description box. But if you don't have the dried breadcrumbs, you can use the fresh breadcrumbs. All you need to do is to get 4 to 5 slices of bread, slice off the brown edges and grind them coarsely with your blender to make crumbs, and that is it. But the difference is that you can't keep the fresh crumbs for later use, while the dried ones you can keep for a week or more because it's very dry. Now give this a very good mix and make a dough out of it. At this stage, if you feel your potato dough is very sticky, you can add a little more breadcrumbs, but not much because more breadcrumbs ruins the taste of it. I wanted my smiley to have a little bit of garlic and ginger flavor, so I mixed a little bit of the spiced breadcrumbs and a little bit of the plain breadcrumbs, and honestly I love the flavor it gives to the smiley, but this is quite optional because you can use the plain one. So just go ahead to watch my breadcrumbs video so that you can understand what I mean by the spiced breadcrumbs and the plain breadcrumbs. The link is in the description box. After kneading, as you can see, the dough has a rough texture because the breadcrumbs hasn't softened. So just leave it in the bowl to rest for like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you knead again, and now the breadcrumbs are softened and the dough is smooth. Apply some vegetable oil on your cleaned work surface so that your dough won't stick to it. Take some portion of the dough and form a round ball, then you pat and flatten it with your hands. Also apply oil on your hands so that you can have a smooth and even surface dough, but do not flatten it very thin. It should have at least thickness of half an inch. To cut out the roundness, you can use a cookie cutter, a lid of a small container or a small cup. I applied some vegetable oil on the cookie cutter so that the dough won't stick to it. Remove the excess, then you can roll it again to make more smileys. And now we have a round shaped dough with a perfect thickness. Take a plastic straw, dip it into the oil and make eyes of the smileys like this. You can make different shapes and different emojis out of this dough if you want, but I'll only be showing you how to make a smiley face, a sad face, and a surprise face, though my kids refused to pick the sad face and they left it for me to eat. Then to make a smile, take a spoon, dip it into the vegetable oil and make a smile just like this. You can make this in large quantity, cut out the faces, put it in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag and store in the freezer to freeze prior to when you want to fry. And here we have our perfect smiley face. And for the surprise smiley, I used a small size piping nozzle and I made the surprise face just like this. And here we have our surprised face. And for the sad face, I turned my spoon upside down just like this to make the sad face. And here we have our sad face. We'll go ahead to heat up our oil and we'll be frying this in a medium to high flame till it's golden brown. Once they are golden brown, scoop them onto a paper towel. So now we'll go ahead to fry the second part. And our potato smileys are ready. This really looks good. This is a perfect evening snack for the kids and you can also put it in their lunchbox for school. Honestly, if you fry this for your kids, they are gonna demand for this every single day because the taste is superb and the smiley face makes them happy while eating this. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share and subscribe to get more amazing videos. See you in my next one. Bye.